Hello all. In this session, I'm going to explain about what is the social and technological change and how it is directly, spoiling our environment. Yes, we have. There is a growth in our technology, social and technological change we are seeing day by day. But how important to know that how our environment is affected by this. Firstly, technology is one of the application of scientific knowledge to the making of tools to solve the specific problems, and also consequently it is very much concerned with low technological societies with forced to adopt the social changes that improves improvements in the technology with continue to bring up the technologies and the users. And here mainly the social and science, it is interconnected, and also science and technology are essentially ingredients to our modern life. Technology and social changes deals with how the technology is developed by using the social contacts, as well as like how technological change is happening, helping with good shaping the culture, political or economic processes in the society. And evolution of mankind can clearly we can see in the terms of technological evolution, and also technological evolution as well, and also like invention of fire and wheel changed the face of the mankind. It starts from there. And the technology, it is the one of the application of scientific knowledge to the making of tools to solve the specific problems. And also technology advances such as automobiles, aeroplanes, radio, television, cellular phones, computers, modems, and fax machines. These are all the major advances what we are seeing, and also changes to the world majorly. And also improvements in technology leads to increases the knowledge and information, and thus to uncovering the means to create the better technology. And sociologists are very much concerned with how technology societies will be forced to adopt this change, that improvement in the technology will continue to bring. For example, uh, social change means the civil rights movement or the feminist movement or the green movement. So these are the few examples for social change, and this is a process of how it is both are interconnected. Wherever we go, like for example a modernization, for example a minimum social class, they need a means of transportation and communication to travel from one place to another place, and definitely that is a modernization. Because of modernization, urbanization, then it is going for a industrialization. Industrialization again, it is connected with social institutions, that is going to change in the value of throughout all the system. Next, the technology and war. Next, it is going for a unemployment again. Then it is going coming back to the again to the social class. So this is how it is connected. And what about the technology and the industrialization? Like technology has contributed to the growth of industries or to the process of industry, but this industrialization is a term like covering in general terms in the growth of society, mainly uh, in the agrarian of the modern industry, with all its circumstances and the problems, that is economic and social both, considering both. And also it describes in a general term that growth of society is a major role is played by manufacturing industry, and the industrial revolution of 18th century lead to the growth of industries. This industrialization is associated with many a factory system of production, and also the family has lost economic importance that time, and also the factories have brought down the prices of all the commodities or improved their quality and maximized their output. The production was more. So the whole process of production is maximized and with the affordable price. Next, technology and the urbanization. So technology and urbanization in the many countries, the growth of industries has contributed to the growth of cities. And also urbanization can be described as a process of becoming urban, moving that to cities, changing from agricultural practices for the next to the common to cities and corresponding change the behavior pattern also. That is the urbanization. And also hence only when a large proportion of inhabitants in an area come to cities, urbanization is said to occur. And also urbanization has become a world phenomenon today, an unpredictable growth has taken place not only in a number of great cities but also in their sizes also. As a result, we have industrialization, and people have started moving towards the industrial areas in search of employment. They stopped agriculture and they are in the search of employment in the towards the industry. Due to this, the industries like industrial areas are developed into towns or cities. Next, technology and modernization. Here, modernization is one of the process that indicates the adoption of modern ways of life and values. Here, it also refers to an attempt on the part of the people, like particularly those who are custom born to adopt themselves to the present time conditions, needs, styles, and ways in general. It indicates the change in the people's food habits and also dress habits, speaking styles, taste. We are just forgetting our traditional taste. Choices are different, preferences are different, ideas, the technology has improved, so definitely that ideas are different. Values, recreational activities are more, and so on. So this is one of the modernization happening due to the technology. And the scientific and technological inventions have modernized the society in a various countries, not only here, like all various countries, it has got a major change in that. They have brought about remarkable change in the world system with our social relationship and installed new ideas in the place of tradition ones we're just forgetting, and we just came up with the new ideas through this technology. Next one, development of means of transportation and communication. Development of transportation communication has led to the national and international trade on the large scale. And also the space research, I think, yes, the space research and the launching of the satellites for communication purpose also further added here. That is also kind of transportation and communication, that also developments we can see. And they have helped the people for belonging to different corners of the nation or the world to have a regular contacts. And the road transport, the train service, the ships, and the aeroplanes have eased that movement of men and materials and goods. Because of the technological development, we can we can do the import and exports easily, and the train service, ships, aeroplanes are easily, there is a movement from one place to another. Next one is transformation in the economy and the evolution of new social classes. That is, the introduction of the factory system of production has turned the agricultural economy into industrial economy. And also this is they're having a different classes are always to conflict due to the mutual opposite interest. That is, in the course of time, like the intermediary class called the middle class has having the great evolution. And also that industrial or the capitalist economy has divided and the social organization into the different classes, that is a capitalist class and also the working class. So this is one of the information about transformation in the economy and the evolution of the new social classes. The classes has improved. The new social classes have improved from middle capitalist class to the working class. Thank you.